Hello, welcome to another session with OCD. I sound like a bit of an old record, but this is going to be another short video. So I've got a few comments recently on Instagram and YouTube following my video on the tour of my little workshop here, and people asked different questions about some of the tools and equipment I've got, and in particular the accessories on these on my bulk products. So if you look up here, you'll see that I've got a number of bulk products and they've all got little taps on. So why have you got taps on your bulk products, and why two taps was the common questions that I got. So first of all, I went out and I bought these little taps, and you can buy them from almost any detail shop. I bought these ones from Elite Car Care, but you can buy them from almost anywhere. These cost me, I think, about $2.99, something like that. And the reason I got them is that when I'm filling up products, when I'm filling up containers, I knock them over just like that. When I'm refilling bottles with product, I used to put a funnel in it and then pour the product into the bottle. The problem with that is, with the bottle so light and empty, as you pour it in, sometimes that falls over and you spill product, or sometimes if the container is full up, when you pour it out, sometimes you spill product as well. So by using the taps, you don't get that issue. That fits nicely into that bottle. Turn the tap, and that nicely fills that up. You can see that's put some product in there. So that's good, that fits in that bottle really nicely. The problem is, doesn't fit in all the bottles I've got, so that doesn't fit in there at all. And then if I tried to fill product up with that, I'd get it spillage all down the side. So then I looked around and I found another type of tap. I found a really narrow spout tap. Now this is, I believe, the only place you can get this is Infinity Wax. This is their product. I think they had this made especially, and this, as you can see, fits into any bottle. It's very thin and it's perfect to fit into any bottle. They only fit on these more stout 5 litre drums that you can get. You can get these, you can buy these as well, obviously, because I've got them. So these fit on the rather stout drums, and they're really good. The added bonus to these ones is not only have they got a narrow spout, but that top comes off to give you quite a nice pouring spout. These are more expensive. These are about, I bought them some time ago, I think these are about £4.20, £4.50, something like that each. So they're a bit more expensive. Now you don't have to, because these will obviously fit in every bottle, you could think, well, I'll just get these ones, because then you don't have to have two different types. The problem, not the problem, but the issue you have with the smaller spout bottles is when you get a product, oops, fall over, when you get a thick product like this is Adam's car shampoo, and that's a very thick product. If you put a small spout on a product that's really thick, you could be there for an hour or so by the time that dribbles through. It comes out like honey, whereas with this bigger spout, it obviously comes out a lot quicker and less hassle. So, you know, the right spout for the job, or the right tap for the job, should I say. So there we are. I hope that makes some form of sense to you. hope that answers some of the questions that that has been asked about why do you have taps on your bulk products, clearly to stop product leakage. And why do you have two types? Because they fit in all my bottles, and depending on the thickness of the product, you choose the right tap. So, like I said, I did warn you, it was a very quick video, but I hope that's answered some questions. So until I see you again, you guys take care. From OCD, bye bye.